Hello, today is May the 27th, 2025, and we are now on 2nd John verse 4. Verse 4. It says, that I found the children of
Truth as we have.
receive a commandment from the Father. So, John is very delighted to see the children of the elect sister walking in truth, walking in the path that God has set for them. So, just like John the Beloved, our pastors also delight when they see us in harmony, when they see us walking in truth, when they see us growing in Christ. And I think this is like the grandest thing for a pastor, the happiest moment, the most joyful moment for a pastor, to see us walk, to see his sheep, his children united in the word and in the work of God. So let us ask ourselves, what are we to our pastor? Are we a burden or are we a help for him? Or are we a help for him? Are we like Aaron and Hur? Or are we like the other people in the Bible who gave their leaders a headache? So let us not be the latter, but the former. Let us help lift the burden. Let us help our pastor. Let us encourage our pastor, and let us not be the reason for our pastor's heartache, because a pastor's heartache is, I think it's one of the most painful heartaches in the world. So I think that's it for